In this video, I'm going to fasten my air intake cover to the wall in such a way that I can easily remove it later. As with all home improvement videos, watch the whole thing, determine what tools you'll need, and how my solution fits to your house. Each home is a little bit different, so take what you can from my home and continue your research. Let's do it! We're all supposed to change our air filters every so often, but I hadn't done it in a while. One of the reasons was because I didn't like how my air intake cover was mounted. It was originally mounted with 4 long screws into the wooden framing, and so each time I took the cover off, I had to fully remove and replace the screws. This takes time unnecessarily from your schedule and affects the wall every time you drive the screw. I knew that those screws didn't need to go in and out every time, but I didn't know how to otherwise fasten it to the wall. After thinking about it for a while, I decided to use a hanger bolt. A hanger bolts have coarse thread on one side and machine thread on the other side. The former goes into wood and the latter fastens to a nut. These are often used to attach two things together where ultimately none of the bolt is seen. For instance, you can check out this video where a hanger bolt is used to put on a sofa leg. This would work well for my project because I wanted to take advantage of the screw holes that were already there, but have a simple mechanism to remove the duct cover from the wall. So my solution was to install the hanger bolts and use cap nuts that I could remove by hand to keep the duct cover fastened. For my project, I bought 4 number 10 by 24 2-inch hanger bolts, 4 number 10 by 24 nuts, and 4 number 10 by 24 cap nuts. The nuts aren't actually used in the final system, but are used to install the hanger bolts. And I chose number 10 size materials because they most closely matched the screws that I was already using. So about hanger bolts. Hanger bolts do not have screw heads because that would defeat the purpose of the hanger bolt. But how do you install them if there's no head? This is where the nuts come in. You can use 2 nuts tightened against each other to form a head and then use the nut farthest from the wall to screw it in. The video I linked earlier has a very good how-to if you want more detail. Here's what my hanger bolts look like in the wall, ready for the air duct cover and cap nuts. And now I can replace my air filter using nothing but a ladder